Welcome back to the channel, guys. Lee here, Gold Shift Garage. This is just a quick update about the 6-pack drag challenge. So what it is shed built cars, just like WB here, or whatever vehicle you have at home. It doesn't have to be anything special. It could be a 4-cylinder, could be a 6-cylinder, could be a blown Chevy big block. But must be built at home. A good chunk of it must be built at home, so you can have bragging rights on whoever you want to call out to race down the strip. So I've been called out by Twisty over at Twisted Metal Customs. Those of you who know his channel will be familiar with his work and what he does. Quality work there at Twisted Metal Customs. So I accept that, Twisty. You and me, down the quarter, WB. Yeah, it's going to have a stroker engine. As you can see, the components have all arrived. But at the end of the day, it's still a 355 stroker versus your custom-made Jailbar with a 302 Windsor fuel injection, I would think. So, both light, both going to be quick. Who's going to be the victor? That is going to be the fun part. And yeah, Asahi Black sounds like a good challenge to me. So there you go. Also, we're going to be having Nathan from Patina Garage. He'll be there in one of his vehicles, not too sure which one. And we've also got Trav over at Peanut Garage. So jump over to their channels, have a look. They're doing some great content. So Trav's actually got 1,000 horsepower WB Ute, I think. So that's going to be interesting. I don't think we'll keep up with that, but we'll try. Once all this gets installed, we'll try. So I'll leave a link down below in the description to all the YouTube channels. So Twisted Metal Customs over with Twisty, Nathan Patina Garage, and Trav over at Peanut Garage. So should be a fun time. Jump over, give all their channels a sub, keep up with all the banter because there's going to be a heap of shit slinging, I would imagine. So should be good. So if this is something you think you'd like to follow, jump on board, give all the channels a sub, keep up with all the content that's going to be coming out over the next few months. I dare say we'll be looking around, realistically, the end of the year for this to actually happen. As you can see, just about to lay down some colour on this old girl, and the engine build is taking place. So if you're interested and you've got a car that you've done 80% at home, come on down, call someone out, go down the quarter, and then hopefully the winner will get a 6-pack. So if you're interested in taking part in this challenge with us, the 6-pack drag challenge, it should be a bit of fun. Call out someone, call out one of your mates, come down to the track when we organise where we're actually headed. Mate, go down the quarter, bragging rights to the victor, and 6 beers. You're going to have a nice coldie with your mate. So even if you don't want to race, come along, support, come and meet all us guys. You know, we're more than up for a chat, to be honest. So this is what we enjoy doing. And obviously it's what you guys enjoy watching. So yeah, come on down. So there you have it. Just a quick explanation of the 6-pack drag challenge. We're just starting to get a bit of momentum going now. So, all right, just a quick video. I will catch you on the next episode. We were working on this. All the wagon, the HJ wagon out there. Not sure yet. All right, see you guys.